Hi, Ivana Graham here to talk about Dyslexia Toolkit. Today I'm going to discuss Chapter 3. Chapter 3 is about logic games, and I'm going to just talk about one. There are many, but logic games really help build the foundational thinking skills that are needed to process complex language, such as you encounter in reading. So reading isn't just about making sounds out of words. Reading is ultimately about making meaning out of words. And there's a great way to help kids progress in that area, and that is logic games. I'm going to talk about chess. Now, chess is an ancient game, at least 3,000 years old, and there's a reason why it's lasted. It's because it's a 3D kind of game that takes every bit of logic that a person can bring to it. And it's a game that children can learn and enjoy, and then develop complexity and enjoy it as an adult and all through their life and keep getting better. And so it just keeps building those brain skills, and those flow over into reading, math, and other things. So chess is definitely worth your time to teach your dyslexic child or any child. And interestingly enough, it raises testable IQ, although I'm not too worried about that. So next time you're teaching a dyslexic child to read, don't just stick with phonics or just one tool. Make sure you have the whole toolkit, and one of those is logic games. Next time, we'll talk about another tool in the toolkit.